Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about communication and process of communication. Today we will take next topic, internet. First of all, we understand the meaning of internet. The internet or network of networks is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. The word internet comes from combination between interconnection and network. Network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communication channels and transmission media, allowed to share resources, hardware, software, data, information. Generally, nobody owns internet. There are four categories of computer network. First is LAN, local area network. Local area network means computers at certain place are connected with one another through wire or without wire. Second is CAN, campus area network. Campus area network means computers at a campus or a premises are connected with one another. Third is MAN, metropolitan area network means computers of a city are connected with one another. Fourth is WAN, wide area network. Wide area network means computers are connected globally without any physical boundaries. Thus, the different types of network is called internet. Wide area network is divided into two categories, enterprise WAN and global WAN. Enterprise WAN. It is wide area network of computers of a big organization. It is a network of fixed computers of various places. It is a network established for an organizational need. This type of network is known as intranet. For example, Indian Railways connect all its office computers through this type of network. Global WAN. This is a large network. This network has no geographical boundaries. It is spread in various countries and continents. It is one collective network of various organizations. It is called World Wide Web. Nowadays, internet service providers have established their own separate communication system by removing the necessity of telephone. Many famous organizations have connected their computers and created a network. Thus, internet means a network of computers which establishes communication by a centralized organization with or without the help of telephone or cable or with the help of satellite. Text, picture, audiovisual, visuals, audio and numeric information can be exchanged with the help of internet. Mainly following three types of functions can be performed through internet. First, contact with other persons. We can promptly and easily communicate with any person in the world with the help of email through internet. We can chat with internet users across the world within few minutes, as if we are sitting in the same room. Second, receiving of information. The computers across the world are connected with the help of internet. Thus, we can easily and immediately receive any information about any field. Third, the connection with other computer system. The direct connection with the other computer system is possible by using the medium of internet and broadcasting. For example, the banking facilities are available online, or we have railway tickets are available from any place, or the observation in the examination center held by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Board is done with the help of internet. These are few examples of the functions performed through internet very easily and in an efficient way. Information search is one of the prominent facilities offered by the internet. Now we will study how to search information from internet step by step. First step, selection of browser. Open your web browser by clicking on the icon. You may have Internet Explorer, Firefox or even Chrome installed on your computer. All of these are great to use for finding any information that you might require. Look for the icon for your web browser and double click on it. Below is what the icon looks like. You may get Internet Explorer, Firefox or Google Chrome. Second step, selection of the search engine. Once your web browser has opened, you should see a search window that offers you the option of searching the content you are looking for. You will see that you can even select language options for your search engine. Your page should now look like there is a space given for your information search. Third step is to enter required information in the search bar. In the home page of the search bar of search engine, the required information is entered. In the text box, for example, if you want to get information about peacock, then type peacock in the search box. If it is done so, you can find picture of peacock. Fourth, to select the website. The list of websites showing information about peacock will open as soon as you click on search button, and you can easily get the information regarding peacock. Fifth step, to get the required information. From the list of websites related to peacock, if you click on a particular website, then that website will open and you can see the information available on that website easily. If you want to see the various images of peacock, then you have to click on images button on screen, and then you will see various images of peacock and you will get the information. Dear students, just go through the video and practice the information search steps from internet by using your computer or laptop. In next video, we'll take next topic, e-commerce. Thank you.